How to handle personal finance issues. Many individuals find their personal finance resources to be amongst the most demanding and complicated components of their lives. If you are one of these people, do not anguish. This video will give you the knowledge and advice you need to handle almost any monetary scenario that you may experience. Amongst the best ways to improve your financial resources is to acquire the generic band of products. The next time you are in a grocery store, purchase the shop brand cereal, which can taste just as great as the greater priced marketing brand name. This can save you a great deal of cash when projected over the year. Begin putting that distinction away each month if you have actually figured out that your budget for a house mortgage is bigger than your current rent payment. This will offer you a real-world concept of what that expense does to your living expenses. It is also assist you build up cost savings towards your down payment. Write your spending plan down if you wish to adhere to it. There is something really concrete about writing something down. It makes your income versus your spending really genuine and assists you to see the benefits of conserving money. Examine your budget regularly, monthly, to make sure it's working for you and that you truly are sticking to it. Never get cash loans from your charge card. Not just will you right away have to start paying interest on the amount, but you will likewise lose out on the standard grace periods for repayments. Furthermore, you will pay steeply increased rates of interest also, making it an alternative that needs to just be used in desperate times. Put in the time to discover a totally free bank account to prevent unneeded expenses. Many banks now charge a monthly fee for examining accounts unless you bring a significant balance. This adds up to numerous dollars annually in costs that can be avoided by discovering a bank or cooperative credit union using totally free check-in. When you are putting together a family budget plan, ensure you get all the family involved, including your kids. Given that money is invested in each relative, having your household input on just how much they invest and just how much to save, a compromise can then be made on a budget. It is much easier to stick to a budget when you have a household agreement. Teaching guitar lessons can help one support their individual finances as well as develop ties both in the music community and with individuals from all strolls of life. As one develops a client base or discovers a music school to teach out, they will increase their financial resources and a network at the same time. When you are leaving a rental home and your property owner states they need to withhold part of your deposit, you need to ensure to find out exactly why that is. Many property managers will attempt to say things and are more pricey than what they are, so you can keep them as part of your cash. Your personal finances do not need to be the source of endless concern and aggravation. By using the idea you have actually just discovered, you can master essentially any monetary situation. Prior to you understanding it, You'll have to turn what once was one of the most significant anxieties into amongst your biggest strengths. If you have identified that spending plan for a home mortgage is bigger than your current rent payment, start putting that distinction away each month. Assess your budget monthly to make sure it's working for you and that you are really sticking to it. When you are putting together a household spending plan, as I've said, make sure to get the household involved, including the kids, and consider that money is spent on each family member. Having your household input, how much they invest and how much to conserve, a compromise can then be made on a budget. As I have said before, it is easier to stick with a budget when you have a household agreement. Now, I hope some of these little snippets help you out with your budgeting plans and that you follow through with what you've just heard on this video. I normally deal with internet marketing. I have a YouTube channel with over 250 videos on, and it's at YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. These videos of mine help you to earn money online and send you in the right direction to start an online business working from home. So if you feel you could do something like that, then go to YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. Scroll down the page and the videos will start coming. So other than that, whatever you do on any budget plan, if you get companies you want to help, please do a full research on it. Always do your research, because there's so many different programs on the internet that become scam programs. So do the research. Go to Google, put in the name of whatever company you're wanting to go to, or put in help with budgeting or help with rent. Put it into Google and Google will come up with pages of information for you. I use YouTube myself because I like the way they present it, because you normally get somebody showing you what to do, like an unpacking. They unpack the box and go through what's in the box. And also if you've got, say, a washing machine, a pipe split, how to change the pipe, they'll show you right from start to finish. YouTube's a very good channel for visual what's being done. So that's Google search, and YouTube you put how to. So how to do your next lot of washing up quicker, anything like that, just put it in how to and follow on. Google, just put search with the company you're wanting to search for. So underneath my video also there is a like button which looks like that or like that on the other side. Press that, because that helps me with YouTube. I want help on YouTube because I want YouTube to start putting adverts up on my video, because that earns me money. But I've got to have 1,000 likes, 1,000 subscribers, and 4,000 hours of view time. So every little bit helps. Please click the like button. So up the top there's a bell. Click on the bell and click all next to it, and you'll get informed when I put my next video up. And underneath my video there are links. The first one, as I just said, is my YouTube channel. But other than that, there are programs I have joined that I like. So I put the links below my video, and the tools I use for working the internet, they're also underneath there. So anything you need to make videos, do recordings, speech, the lot, they're all underneath. There's even a spinner there as well, which mixes all the scripts up so you don't get done for royalty charges. Also, if you click on any of those links, they're all affiliated. Now, I don't own any of the programs, which means that if you click on a link, the company that you're clicking into owns that program, but I get commission for sending you there. So that's how I earn my money. Any of those links make me commissions, only small, but everyone helps. So don't forget, research, Google, YouTube, do it properly. Make sure you don't get scammed. My name is Ian Jackson, and please do what I've said. Don't mess about, just go and research it. Don't get caught. Well, I'm wishing you all the very best in your online ventures, whatever you do, besides your budget. If you do decide to go online and work the online system, because that can earn you money, help with your budgets. There's so many different little programs out there that can earn money you'd never ever be believed. Once more, do your research, click on the link below that says like, the little thumb, and I hope you come back at some time, and I hope you enjoyed this little short video. So it's Ian Jackson saying all the best in your online ventures and your budgeting, and cheerio for now.